Hi everyone, welcome back to my art channel. Today we are going to do something different. I have received a package from Craft East, so today for the very first time I'm going to sit down and try painting by numbers. It looks amazing. So I have picked the Manhattan Bridge, so you can see, and there are colors on the side, and it's a big canvas. That's how nice it is. Look at the details. Oh gosh. So if you love painting and you want to take your time, this is really good to just sit down, be quiet. So I'm gonna pick 139, number 1. If you'd like to find out a bit more about me and also painted by numbers, grab a cup of coffee or tea, and this video will be a slow but relaxing one. If you have followed me on this channel, you will know that I normally do digital art. I used to do art while I was little, using crayon, colored pencils, watercolor. I love traditional media painting, and definitely shopping for the art supplies are my best childhood memories. So you might be wondering, is paint by numbers worth your time? Let's find out. If your intention is to create art quickly, paint by number is not for you. There are other ways you can generate art fast, like AI tool. Paint by numbers is a slow process. It is like playing puzzles. It requires patience, focus, and pure intention. In today's fast-paced world, it is all too easy to get caught up in the hustle and puzzles of everyday life. But Paint by Numbers offers a welcome opportunities for me to slow down and savor the moment. In the process of painting, I can temporarily disconnect from the chaos around me, focus on the here and now. Have you ever tried meditation but struggled to quiet your racing thought? I have that problem. I'm always thinking about work, thinking about what sketches that I'm gonna make next. Well, Paint by Numbers can be a wonderful alternative for those who find traditional meditations challenging. As I carefully fill in each numbered sections of the canvas, I enter a state of flow where time seems to stand still. My mind becomes fully absorbed in the task at hand, allowing me to experience a sense of peace similar to meditation. I kind of miss this moment because it reminds me how I can paint hours and hours when I was young. I recall the intentions of making art when I was younger. It wasn't for sales, it wasn't for compliment, it wasn't to show the art to please the world. It's simply a hobby and it's simply something that I love. I suppose as we grow older, our intentions tend to evolve and become more intricate. It's not just about having fun anymore. There is often a deeper purpose behind our artistic endeavors. Sometimes it's about catering to the demands of algorithms or creating art for commercial reasons. I'm not suggesting that it is necessarily negative, but there are moments when we might feel a sense of pressure, especially when our motives for creating art aren't as innocent as they were when we were children. Paint by Numbers helps me reconnect with that pure joy of creating, reminding me to embrace the artistic journey even amidst the challenges of running a creative business. If you are a puzzle lover, you are going to get the vibe of Paint by Numbers real quick. You know that feeling when you are piecing together a puzzle and each piece just fits into the place. Well, imagine that, but with paint. It's all about matching up colors and numbers to create something awesome. Just like puzzles, Paint by Numbers takes a bit of patience and focus. But trust me, when you see the final picture come together, it is like a little victory every time you fill in a section. Craft East offers high quality paint that doesn't require mixing with water. Plus, they have even sent me extra paint for larger areas, ensuring I won't run out of color. I dream of the day when I can turn my own art into a Paint by Numbers masterpiece. It would be incredible to witness how it transforms into such a mindful activity. Also, Paint by Number isn't a race, so there's no need to rush and complete it all in a day. Take your time, tackle each section at your own pace. Since the artwork has tiny numbers area, it is important to give your eyes a break after spending some time on it. Paint by Number is a fantastic choice for those who enjoy painting. It is a wonderful gift idea for individuals who appreciate spending quiet moments engaged in artistic activities. Personally, I find great joy in receiving presents that allow me to unwind and enjoy some peaceful time alone. Whether it is diving into a good book, exploring new art supplies, or simply listening to some music, these simple pleasures bring me a great satisfaction. I'm sure you can discover plenty of videos offering tips on how to improve your Paint by Number skills. However, in this video, I won't be focusing on achieving perfection. Instead, I want to remind you that the essence of painting lies in simply enjoying the process. Taking a break from digital arts to paint with brushes is refreshing. It is a reminder of the distinct feelings associated with traditional painting versus digital methods. At times, I find myself lacking patience and rushing through my painting. When this feeling arises, I recognize the need to pause. I have a tendency to seek quick results and feel disappointed if things don't align with my expected time frame. Engaging in paint by numbers has taught me the importance of releasing this sense of urgency from within and instead embracing a more flowing approach. It encourages me to focus on one section at a time, allowing the process to unfold naturally. Hope you enjoyed this video. I will see you next time.